Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So it's 7:30 in the morning and I'm going to Honnavar to explore the backwaters of Honnavar. It's around 150 kilometers from my home. So let's see how much time it takes for me to reach there.
So now I'm going to put petrol because the tank is empty.
Honnavar is in Karnataka and it has nice backwater where you can enjoy a boat ride watching the scenic view of backwater and exploring the things and places. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me grow.
So it's 1 hour and I'm almost near the Polem check post, the Goa check post, the Goa border. I'm almost reached. It took me 1 hour from my house to reach here. Although I was not able to shoot some videos. And this is the Polem, and this is the Polem check post. Now we are in Karwar, where we entered Karnataka. This is the Karnataka check post. They check cars for alcohol bottles. They check cars for alcohol. If anyone is taking from Goa, as you all know that Goa has cheapest alcohol price. So we have entered Karwar now, into the Karwar city actually. It's a bit cloudy today. Hope it remains the same. I guess I forgot to on my recording in the tunnel. There was a tunnel in Karwar, so I will show you all the tunnel while going back. I don't know how I forgot. Bad luck. If we compare the Karnataka roads with Goa roads, I feel Karnataka roads are better now. I just love this road. I love this road. I had traveled on this road for almost 8-9 times at least. So this is my first time on the bike. Before I had traveled only in a car.
I have taken a break now to have breakfast because I didn't have anything in the morning when I left my home. So this is my first stop now to have breakfast.
So I had breakfast and I left now. I was looking at the maps when I stopped was showing that my destination is 30 kilometers and half an hour. So half an hour is left to reach Honnavar. Let's see how it goes. I'll be exploring backwaters in Honnavar and returning back. Depends on the time, how much time it takes to finish with the backwater ride. And this is the second toll plaza. First one I missed to make my GoPro on. This is the second toll plaza. So if you're coming to Murdeshwar, all will have to cross two toll plazas. And so we are in Honnavar, and the left road goes to the Jog Falls. You can see Jog Falls, and we need to go to the backwaters. I need to put map on. I had told my friend to send me a location of backwaters. I need to see if he has sent or no, and then go to the backwaters. So I'm not sure about the backwaters I had searched, but I had asked him to send me one. I'll stop somewhere and I'll see what he has sent, and if he has sent any location, and then I'll proceed. So I came little ahead, going back half kilometers. That is a right turn. I have done the map on, so accordingly I'm going.
When you'll take the inside road to go to the backwater, there will be people waiting on the corner, and then they will approach you to come sign them to their boat. But you all can do the booking online, or you all can go to the place directly, or you all can take it from them also. This is the same fellow who came
कितना है?
to us, and he was speaking in Kannada, which we were not
Hindi.
understanding. Then
Huh?
with his action I understood that he was calling us in front his boat, but then he stopped and we told him we have booked online.
So now I'm going for my boat ride, which will take me for 1 hour boat ride. This boat costs 1,200. You can bargain and they can make it 1,000 for 1 hour ride in the backwaters of Honnavar. So here I am going for a backwater ride in Honnavar. So you can see this view. We are entering the mangroves in Honnavar. Of this ride is 1,000 rupees. So you all can come here if you all want. They charge all 1,000 rupees for 1 hour ride. They'll show you all mangroves and one more place. So now I'm exploring backwaters of Honnavar. So you all can see, I showed you all the mangroves, the Kerala feeling. spot. And now we are going back from the different route. You can see the nature. You can see this nature, how beautiful it is. The Lotus Pond. Thank you. So this is our boat fellow. आपका नाम क्या है?
गणेश।
गणेश। और ये बोट किसका है?
हमारा है।
हाँ।
कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर 9738804251। Sharavati Backwater.
Sharavati Backwaters. I'll put the number in the description. So please check, and if you all want, you all can contact Sharavati Backwaters.
हमारा गूगल मैप है विघ्नराजा टूरिस्ट बोटिंग।
They are even on Google, Vignaraj Tourist Boating. So you all can contact them. I'll put everything in the description box, so you all can check. So after 1 hour, my boat ride is come to an end. So I have reached. So I'm done with the backwaters and I'm going back to Goa. So I left at 1 o'clock and this is the first toll plaza while returning. I left so early because I thought of going back slowly and my GoPro is giving problems, so I had to record my videos on my phone now. I've taken a break now, so I'll have this watermelon juice since I'm very thirsty now. I was feeling so thirsty that I took one more juice. Yeah.
So this was the tunnel which I missed to record while going because I forgot to turn on my recording on the GoPro. So this tunnel is in Karwar. This is newly opened and it saves a lot of time and kilometers.
So guys, I have reached Gazibag now. I have to end my video here since my GoPro battery is low, so I won't be able to shoot more. So just look at this beautiful view, the last view. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and comment for more videos.